Today in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 hot stocks currently trading under $50 that you can buy now and hold for the next 3 to 6 months for some serious upside. I'll be sharing real entry zones, real price targets, and most importantly, real reasons why the stocks could run. So make sure you stick around because stock number 3 might just surprise you. Before we dive in, go ahead and hit that like button to help this video reach at least 1000 likes. And if you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications because on this channel, we break down market winners, high potential setups, and smart investing opportunities. Today, I'm covering BMNR, LYFT, APLD, WULF, and SOFI, all trading under $50 and all showing strong breakout potential. These are also stocks I'm personally watching very closely. A quick note before we jump into stock number 1. I'll be using TradingView charts to clearly mark entries, exits, support, resistance, and price targets. I'll also explain why each stock could move, whether it's earnings, sector momentum, institutional interest, or technical breakouts. This way, you are not just copying trades, you are actually understanding the setup. First up is BMNR, Bitmine Immersion Technologies. This is a small cap stock that's been showing quiet but consistent increases in volume. And when that happens, it's often the calm before the storm. What BMNR does is simple. It focuses on acquiring and holding Ethereum as a treasury asset. So when Ethereum moves up, BMNR tends to move with it. Right now, BMNR is trading around $31.09. And on the chart, you can see price consolidated tightly and slowly pushed into this resistance area, but failed to break and pulled back, heading towards support zone. This is where smart money is watching. Notice how price tested support 3 different times, and when support holds multiple times, that's a bullish signal. So if price pulls back to this support zone and it holds, that's an ideal entry. A clean breakout above resistance with volume could send this stock moving fast. The smart play here is to wait for the breakout, then enter on a retest of that old resistance as new support, always using a stop loss below the recent low. Target the next major high. This move alone offers over 20% upside. One thing the market teaches you very quickly is don't be greedy. Pullbacks happen, profit taking happens, and you don't want to be the last buyer at the top. BMNR previously hit an all-time high of $161, so there's still plenty of upside potential, but expect choppiness, pullbacks, and consolidation along the way. It will break out, pull back, then break higher again. That's how trends move, and that's how you rinse and repeat. Stock number 2 is LYFT. LYFT is a rideshare name many traders overlook. LYFT has been building a range, and with travel demand picking up, this stock could be gearing up for another move, just like we've seen in previous cycles. Right now, LYFT is trading around $18.97. One reason LYFT stands out is its improving revenue trend, and technically, after the December drop, price bounced cleanly off support and is now consolidating again. When you zoom out, you'll notice the cycles are turning upward. This chart shows a classic double bottom pattern, and when price breaks resistance with strong volume, that's a textbook entry setup. Just remember, always set your target slightly ahead of resistance, not directly at it, because strong breakouts often overshoot, and of course, risk management is key. Now, stock number 3, Applied Digital, APLD, and honestly, this is the sleeper stock of the list. Volume has been relatively quiet recently, but if you look closely, you'll see a clear accumulation pattern. From the recent low to the high around $39, this stock already made a 71% move, and that kind of move can easily turn into $1,000 to $10,000 depending on position size. Right now, APLD is trading around $35.34, which actually makes it more attractive. Price has broken key resistance levels, is making higher highs, and pullbacks are holding above the trend line, all showing strong bullish signs. This tells us institutional interest is building. If volume expands and price breaks this high with conviction, expect aggressive continuation, possibly even a short squeeze. Next major target is in the $50 range. So the best strategy here will be to buy pullbacks as long as price stays above the trend line, confirm with volume and rejection candles, and always use a stop loss. Next up is WULF, ticker symbol WULF. This stock is highly volatile, but in a good way. WULF has strong upside potential with a longer term target around $20. But before getting there, it will need to break key levels and go through normal pullbacks. Right now, it's trading around $13.96. And if you look at the chart, price recently retested a key support zone, reversed, and started pushing higher again. We are seeing breakouts followed by pullbacks that hold within the uptrend, and that's exactly what you want to see, because this area becomes a prime buy zone. And looking at the RSI below, it's cooling off towards the 50 level, which tells us that momentum is resetting, not breaking. Some traders wait for pullbacks, and this is exactly that. So a bounce from support with volume could launch this stock higher. Last but not least, SOFI Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. This is one of the most talked about fintech stocks, and even after hitting an all-time high of $32.72, it's still trading under $30. SOFI has been trending higher since its April lows and is now pulling back into a key support zone. Current price is around $27.17, with strong support holding near $25, meaning price is still very close to support. SOFI stands out because of its strong fundamentals, growing customer base, and expanding product ecosystem. And technically, the stock has been consolidating within a range, and patterns like this often break hard once buyers step in. Next major upside target sits around $36, with long-term potential well beyond that if momentum continues. So let's talk about what you can realistically expect over the next 3 to 6 months. First thing to watch out for is key resistance levels. When price gets there, pay attention to how it reacts. Some stocks will pause, some will pull back, and others might just blast right through. Next is volume. Big spikes in volume around earnings or product news can lead to fast and aggressive moves, both up and down. And if the overall sector starts to rally, that's when you often see breakout extensions, where price doesn't just hit a target, it overshoots it. Just remember, this isn't magic. It's all about probabilities based on price action and volume behavior, stacking the odds in your favor. A quick but very important one is risk management. No matter how good a setup looks, always use stop losses. Don't over leverage and keep your position size under control. Yes, these stocks are cheap, but that also means they can be very volatile. One bad trade shouldn't be able to wipe out your account. Survive first, then profits come second. So if you want more stock setups like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below telling me which of these 5 stocks you're buying first. And if you want a follow-up video with updates, new targets, or fresh entries, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.